There it goes. Nice looking shoe on that one, right? So this is C7. It's under the shoulder blade here. So to get there, I'm going to have to laterally flex and create like a little groove to get my hand inside there. So as I bring the head this way, my hand will disappear into this little cup. Got it. I might get both sides because I kind of feel both sides are just a little stiff. There it goes. Got it. He'll come down just a second. I got it though. And I bet I'll lick and chew with that one too. There's the shake.